Now, when your body fat percentage is high, you can change your diet and you can change your body composition in as short as a few months. And you know what helps that process? It's called intermittent fasting. Now, there's periods of the day where you will go without food, but you can still do normal everyday things and no, you won't be extremely hungry. No, it's a true statement that your body does require energy at all times. But the beauty is that energy doesn't necessarily only come from the outside world. You have energy stored inside of you, inside of your adipose tissue, inside of your muscles, inside of your liver. In fact, every tissue can store energy, especially your fat tissue. Your fat tissue is a giant repository. It is a Costco warehouse of energy. And that's a good thing because when you perform a fast, that Costco warehouse of energy becomes the principal location from which energy is derived. Now, this may sound a little bit strange, but we're actually built for fasting. Okay. Do you think that hunter-gatherers actually had 3 meals a day and 8 snacks like we do in today's world? Okay. The truth is that we were actually not hunter-gatherers. We were gatherer-hunters. And we are biologically designed to adapt to long periods of time with calories from the outside world. One of the things people ask us all the time is say, well, what's the catch, Cyrus? Intermittent fasting doesn't sound like a very fun thing to do. And there's got to be some negative side effects that come along. Well, the truth is that if you start performing intermittent fasting, you definitely have to adapt to it. And it will take a little bit of time to get there. At the beginning, you might feel a little bit hungrier than normal simply because it's a change to your normal everyday routine. But after 3 days or 5 days or 7 days, your brain will actually adapt to a change in eating schedule. And as a result of that, instead of sending out hunger signals at a time when you would normally eat, you no longer produce those hunger signals. And that keeps you from feeling hungry at a time when calories are not likely to be there. So your brain undergoes an adaptation, as does your gut. And the connection between the two of them keeps your hunger level low and only increases your hunger when calories are likely to be there. Intermittent fasting has a number of positive health benefits, including improved ability to lose weight, improved immune health, improved diabetes health, a lower A1C, a lower fasting blood glucose, lower blood pressure. It becomes easier and actually cheaper to feed yourself. You are likely to experience more energy, even though that sounds counterintuitive. You're likely to sleep better, and you're likely to improve the quality of your life. I know it may sound weird that eating less food actually can increase the quality of your life, but the truth is that many people report back to us that that's exactly how they feel. And a lot of the times people say, you know what? I don't even understand why I'm overcomplicating this entire food thing. I just feel better when I don't eat food. Hey, this video was just a snippet of a much more in-depth discussion. Now, we know not everyone has the time to watch an hour-long video, so I hope that this highlight taught you something helpful. Now, if you're interested in watching the full-length deep dive, then I highly recommend that you check it out because there's a ton more to learn on the subject, and this is just hitting the tip of the iceberg. Just click on the link on the screen to check out the full-length episode. And if you're already going, whoa, that's a lot to digest, I just want to live a healthy life and call it a day, then don't worry because we have expert coaches who can help get you true long-lasting health that can actually be very simple and be your accountability coach and give you a personalized roadmap to lower your blood sugar, to lose weight, and to get off medication for good. Now, the science behind health is overly complicated, unfortunately, but getting healthy doesn't have to be. Visit masteringdiabetes.org/start. Answer some questions about yourself and schedule a free consultation to talk with somebody on our team who's going to show you exactly how we've transformed the lives of thousands of people using the Mastering Diabetes method. It's important you answer all of the questions to the best of your ability because we want to be able to get you the right coach. We have a limited number of spots available, and that's why it's imperative to find a good fit. Again, visit masteringdiabetes.org/start to schedule a free zero commitment discovery call and start taking control of your health today.